morning, guys. So it's been about like 2 months since I last filmed for a number of reasons, really. Mainly because yeah, I've been dealing with Carol, my wife, moving here to Houston, stuff in my job going on as well, and also it's been really cold in Houston this year. Like the last 2 months has been, yeah, pretty freezing compared to the last 2 years that I've been here, and I hate the cold, so yeah, I've had zero motivation to go out filming. But I've been really missing mainly editing videos. I haven't been able to edit anything for 2 months. So today we decided to, yeah, go out around Houston a bit. The weather's getting a bit warmer now. Still looks pretty cloudy though. Let's see how it looks. Yep. That's okay. Could be better, could be worse. So yeah, I'm not really sure what we're doing. I got a day off from work, it's Thursday, so yeah, me and Carol are just gonna hang out around Houston a bit, film a little bit, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so the first place that we're going to visit is called Gerald Hines Waterwall Park, and as you can see, it's this big thing right behind me. So it's basically like a big sculpture fountain thing. Pretty impressive though. And I've never actually brought Carol here, and it's only like 5 minutes away from my home. So the other main thing in this park is this huge tower behind me. You can see it. So that's called Williams Tower, and it was actually constructed at the same time as the water wall. And the water wall is 64 feet high, representing the 64 stories that that building has. So yeah, it's pretty epic. Alright, let's go. Yep. So we finished sightseeing in Uptown now. Now we're going to try and find some other locations to visit that we've never been to before. So we've come to downtown Houston. We've come to a pretty cool spot where there's like loads of street art and graffiti. And Houston actually has quite a lot of places like this, like graffiti art. It's one of the things that you see quite a lot when you're driving around. So yeah, I'm just going to show you around here a bit. Really some cool art here. Check this, guys, camouflage Carol. Let me see. There we go. So it's cool, me and Carol came here like last year, and there was only a few murals when we came, but now like the entire block is basically painted now. So yeah, it's just pretty awesome around here. We've now come to the heart of downtown. We're at a place called Market Square Park, which is one of the oldest places here in Houston. A lot of the buildings are like from the 19th century. It's cool because a lot of Houston is pretty much modern, so this is one of the places that has a bit more personality, like all the old school buildings and stuff. So we're gonna walk around here a bit, and then we're going to try and find a cool place to eat. once again, more street art like I mentioned that's spread around Houston. So this is actually a famous one, the Houston is Inspired mural. We decided to come to a Mexican grill place and have a big fat burrito. Pretty tasty so far. Yum. What's yours? What did you put in it?
Chicken, sour cream, tomatoes, and cheese.
Is it good? Alright, so we're gonna be heading home now. It's been a good day. The weather's actually been really good, way better than I expected. So this is winter in Houston for you. If you've got a sunny day, it's gonna be pretty damn warm, t-shirt weather. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, it's been good sightseeing. We don't do much sightseeing because I live here, right? Yeah, it just seems to be like that when you live somewhere. You don't really see the sights in your own place, but should do it more often. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.